In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money with your Instagram Reels. Now, the first way is in getting a share of the Reels play bonuses, and your earnings depend on the number of plays or views your Reels get. And you need to be producing high quality content to getting good pay from these bonuses. The second sure way to make money with your Instagram Reels is in getting virtual badges and stars from your audience, mostly through live videos. And you can redeem these badges and stars for real cash and then get it through your payment method. Another sure way to make money with your Instagram Reels is through Instagram subscriptions. And here, you get a fee from your subscribers for your exclusive content. And to get a higher fee, you need to have a good number of subscribers and producing top content. The next way to make money with your Instagram Reels is through affiliate marketing. And there are so many companies with affiliate programs, including Instagram itself, where you can sell their products or services. And you just need to include an affiliate link or a code in your profile or Reels in description and earn a commission when someone buys through the link or using the code. And there's also selling your own products, merchandise, or services as another sure way to make money with your Instagram Reels. And you can sell like everything from physical products and then digital products to offering and device and security tasks or jobs. And you just need to tag the product or service on your Reels or direct your audience to where they can buy or access the products or services. And you can use the Instagram shopping feature or Instagram ads or Instagram business or creator account to boost your sales. In addition, you can do sponsored content or brand partnership as another sure way to make money with your Instagram Reels. And here, you get paid by brands to promote their products or services as an influencer. And you can just mention the brand, product or service on your Reels or create a whole reel about the brand, product or service. And you can connect with more brands on Instagram Creator Marketplace. Moreover, you can do crowdfunding or fanfunding as another sure way to make money with your Instagram Reels. And this involves asking your audience for monetary support, donations, or tips. And you can also take your Reels to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And as a bonus, other ways to make money with your Instagram Reels include getting a share of the Instagram ad revenue, making Instagram digital collectibles and selling them, completing challenges for pay, promoting other people's songs and other content for pay, posting your reels on your website or a YouTube channel and monetizing them, collaborating with top creators to boost your earnings, creating and selling Instagram accounts, licensing your reels to media houses or other interested parties, becoming an Instagram consultant or a talent manager, and launching your career including music and commenting. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.